Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had an amazing meal with your families, but right now we're going to show you guys what sold for us over the last couple days. We're going to get it off to the post office because they were closed yesterday, which I discovered in the last video.
Just thinking that I hope they're not closed early today. Like
oh yeah, today, for like Black Friday or something.
If so, I could go to a regular post office, but hopefully they're open. I don't know. All right, sold some little Nike phone posits on Poshmark for $31 with discount shipping. I actually bought these off of Dalton's Whatnot for $12. I did pay like shipping as well, although on Whatnot you pay a smaller shipping fee every time you buy, and I feel like I bought like 5 pairs from him that day, and one was for my son, so I'm counting the shipping as just the pair for my son.
Right.
So I'm calling those $12 into $31 with discount shipping, so like an $11 profit for something that came to our house, and all I had to do was take a couple photos.
And that is Dalton over at Dealing with Dalton. Yes. YouTube. I think that's what he goes by everywhere.
Yeah,
it's
and then I sold those pretty fast. I think I just listed those this week. So
cool.
Yeah, Nike phone posits are always a good find. All right, AL. Got some girls' youth size UGG slippers. Bought it once upon a child for $8. Sold for $35 on Poshmark. That was an offer someone sent me. I accepted. Those will do like a little regional A box. AE, this was kind of a sad sale because I just thought these would sell so much. And I actually had
those red ones, right?
I had the red ones. Those ones I found at Goodwill. These were retail arbitrage, and I found like 3 or 4 pairs the day I found them. So they were $15 each. They're the brand Keen. The other 2 sold for a good amount, 40 to 50, I feel like.
Okay.
This pair was in our 50% off sale, so it's sold for $23.97 plus shipping.
Oh, the sad sale. That makes sense.
So after the $15 I paid, after eBay fees, I think I made like $3 profit. So sad just because they're Keens. They should have sold for more. They just didn't. So just one of those things.
Do you think it's because of the seasonality of the item now? Like it's not.
I feel like those are kind of an all year round shoe.
Okay.
Especially like that color is like a nice fall color, and they're suede and.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't know. At least you made money on the deal overall, right?
It wasn't bad, and I only had to do 1 listing, so. All right. Those are going UPS, so I need to find a box for them. These little Nike Sunrays I bought for $3 and sold for $23.96 plus shipping on eBay. Those were, I always like check when I sell sandals in the winter. They're going to Florida, which makes sense. I actually... Yeah, today's the day after Thanksgiving. I saw Drew, he lives in Florida, Drew, Profit Monsters, saying it's 80 degrees in Florida today, which here is like 30-something. So
it's actually pretty warm today for being Colorado,
he was
I guess.
Like showing a picture of like people wearing sandals, and I'm just like, and saying how he knows people in colder climates still wear sandals, even like when it's negative 12 degrees. So I thought that was funny. Because I wear my sandals pretty much every day.
It's funny, too. I don't know if we mentioned when we went to that comedy club the other day that I went to pay for parking with my credit card.
Oh, yeah.
And it froze in the parking meter. And it was
problems.
it was like 9 degrees out. I'm just in like a flannel shirt. And jeans, right?
I'm in a dress.
Kathy's in a dress and like a denim jacket.
Birthday dinner. I'm like, oh, we're just parking and walking right in. No big deal.
We're stuck out there. Oh my God, that was a pain in the butt. Got pliers from the comedy club. Went back out, but that was cold. That was the coldest.
They trusted you like with their pliers. I mean, you could have just been lying, going out there to like hurt someone downtown or something. I don't know.
To steal their $10 pliers. But yeah, that was It was a cold night.
I don't know what I'd have done if I was there by myself. When that happened, I would have probably... A similar thing happened to me once. I was like depositing a check in an ATM, and the whole ATM just froze with my... This is when I worked like a $8 an hour job, so my 2-week $500 check like frozen on the screens. If that's not
and your card,
enough.
right?
Yeah, my card was stuck in the machine. Everyone could see my name, my address, my amount of my check and everything.
Yeah.
So, and this was like late at night. The bank's not open. I can't just go in and be like, can you fix it? So.
Right. But I did learn a valuable lesson. Do not use metal credit cards
Yeah.
when it's below 0 or below freezing, because it like instantly froze in there. Yeah, it was crazy.
If you learned nothing else today, that's what you know now. This is actually a viewer sale going out to Doreen. Thank you so much. This is just like a little craft handmade lip balm kit. I actually bought this thinking I would do it, and I just didn't. So I listed it. I bought it for $3.99. Doreen bought it for $10.95 plus shipping. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Doreen, thank you so much for that support.
You live in Colorado too, so
yeah, we need lip balm here.
We do need lip balm a lot. I think because of the size, it might need a little bit of a bigger envelope. I'll probably just bubble wrap around it before, even though it doesn't have a very long trip. Okay, 8/8. Oh yeah, I wrote a little note on there. I just wanted to mention. Doreen said we inspired her to start selling. She sold 3 things in her first month. So
wow, hey,
awesome.
Doreen, that's awesome.
Yes.
Keep it up.
She also said she loves selling shoes as well.
Yeah.
All right, Stella. This guy. This is such a cool
Oh
sweater.
no, you sold this.
Oh yeah, this was so I bought this for my son. I bought it off Kidizm for $40, and I sold it back on Kidizm for $40, but with free shipping, so I'm making back probably about $30.
Okay.
But he did get to wear it, and it was really cool, and I think I at least got a photo of him in it, which is cool.
Yeah, this was a really cool shirt.
Yeah, I did not let him wear it to school. They probably would have kicked him out that day or made him change. So, anyways, the brand Stella McCartney, which is a very expensive brand. That was a kid sweater, but probably over $100 new. So, yeah. It doesn't always sell fast, that brand. I mean, I would pick it up definitely if I found it anywhere, but it usually sells slow. That one sold kind of fast because I listed it after Halloween because he wore it right before Halloween.
Yeah.
So, I guess it just depends if it's a cool one like that or not. All right, DF.
Yeah, so how'd you guys Thanksgivings go? We already celebrated Thanksgiving with the big family a week or so ago. So last night we actually went to what's a Brazilian Tucanos. Yeah. It's like a Brazilian barbecue, so they bring stuff out on skewers, and the kids had a blast. But we had reservations, and they
were an hour behind.
They were an hour behind.
Time,
so people were not happy.
No.
I mean, there was a guy
For some reason, I was pretty chill. Like, I normally would be upset about something like that, but I was like,
yeah.
It's okay.
There was another gentleman there that the kids and Kathy went and waited in the car, and I was kind of waiting inside, and he was really mad. He had 2 young kids with him, and he kicked the door and stormed out, dropping F-bombs and stuff. And yeah, on Thanksgiving. So those memories.
Sad day.
But we had a blast. It was fun. The kids were like, I want to eat this all day, every day.
I've been talking about it all day today. Like, can we go there again soon? Like, probably not, guys. It's normally, it's expensive on a normal day, although it was, free for kids.
Yeah.
7 and under, and then they gave us our 8-year-olds free, too, even though we said he was 8, so that was nice.
And they got to eat chicken hearts, which we
did not.
We didn't. They did.
They did, and I don't think they liked it, but they tried it.
So I had 2 of them. So let us know. That's our new Thanksgiving tradition? Go eat chicken hearts? Or what?
Hopefully next time we can just hang out with our family.
Yeah, we'll just eat it.
So this Vineyard Vines not hoodie, a quarter zip. Bought for $5.99, sold for $22 with discount shipping on Poshmark. That we'll just do a Tyvek mailer. Okay, box H. Got a viewer sale going out to Zach.
My man, Zach.
He grabbed a Wrangler Pearl Snap. I bought this for $3.50. Zach bought it for $24.95 plus shipping. So
cool. Zach, thanks again for all the amazing support. We appreciate it.
We do very much. Let's do a sun mailer. Okay, BB. Oh, good. Reese is not in his scandalous position anymore.
Yeah.
When we started recording,
belly up.
Yeah. Spread eagle for all to see. My sweet boy. All right.
Aww.
I tricked him. You gotta wait for your tummy rubs. So this 511 tactical windbreaker jacket. I bought it for $10.99. Sold it for $40 with discount shipping on Poshmark. I think we can do a Tyvek on that as well. And lastly, this thing sold.
Oh, nice. The Mobile or whatever. Is that what it's called? Mobile?
called it a toy bar.
Toy bar?
Yeah, so if you know what the Mamaroo is, there's like little plush balls that like go in here.
Yeah, they just kind of rotate around above the kid's head.
Yeah. So this sold on Posh, which I'm actually glad because now I can put this box in another box, and then this box is still nice for the buyer.
Oh, right,
I
yeah.
did write in the description, like, you know, I'm going to ship it in the box, but to save on shipping costs, I'm going to put the label on top of the box.
Right.
Because we saw this was only like 11 ounces, even with the box. But now that it's sold on Posh, I have 5 pounds to work with, so I can put it in a different box.
Yeah.
So cool. And this sold to a guest buyer on Poshmark, so they probably found it through Google or something, and they bought it for my full list price, which was $35. And I got
Sweet.
it from the bins, so I paid $1.98 per item that day.
Very nice. You know, you mentioned you're going to put the label on that box. I noticed we just bought a new Christmas tree. We're kind of behind the game on that. I forgot that we kind of got rid of our Christmas tree last year, and we weren't
kept
prepared.
losing pieces or something. Like,
Yeah, it was just, it was old, and it was
also
not a
very-
high quality
It was like
one.
a 5-footer, really
Yeah,
skinny. And
it was the one that we got when we lived in like apartments
when
and
we
stuff.
had, like, just a married couple, a 20-year-old married
It doesn't
couple,
fit our
so.
kids' presents under, so we got like a big 9-footer now. But I noticed on the listing it said it's going to come with a label on the box.
Oh, okay.
So it's like,
least
if this
they
is a gift, ship it to a different address kind of thing. So it just made me think of that, and I didn't realize that sold, so that's cool.
Yeah. I'm glad it sold because it was kind of weird up there.
Yeah. All right, let's get the stuff all packed up, and then we'll meet back here. All right, guys, got the sales all packed up, and we had one more come in.
Yeah, $6 sale. I'm
Hey,
laughing, but
right behind
yeah,
me.
I'll take it. I do think that these little Schleich figures did pay for my bin all that day, so
Oh, yeah, this is from the bins.
yeah. So even though this set sold for $6, a few others have sold for good amounts.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I bundled the giraffes just because.
Yeah, they're giraffes.
And one of them wasn't like it stands, but its back legs are a little bit bent. So, anyways, $6 I'm happy with. I paid $1.21. Hi, Reese.
He wants to look at your giraffes or something. What are those?
Donkey toys. So yeah, I will bubble wrap those, and probably, how much weight do I have? 8 ounces. Yeah, I think I can find a little tiny box for those.
Box.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you don't know, you could do first class in a box as long as you're under the weight.
Yeah,
Right?
like I was gonna send that Mamaroo thing in.
Oh, because it was
in the
under?
box. Yeah, it was only like 11 ounces. So.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Cool. So I think we'll go ahead and wrap that up off camera, but that's going to be it for today.
Yeah.
Little short, sweet.
Slow
What
day.
sold?
Normally we've been doing 2 days at once, but this was just kind of what came in on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, which
honestly, I
I'm
didn't
surprised.
think we were gonna get any sales on Thanksgiving, so I'm happy with 9-10 sales.
For sure. So yeah, we're just going to pack it up, take it off to the post office, and I don't know, spend the rest of the day with the kid. Normally we decorate for Christmas the day after Thanksgiving, but we don't have the tree. So we might have to put that off till Saturday. I don't know. We might go make some snowflakes or something with the kids. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.